Hello, I'm Roy from Carpet Doctor. I've been proudly appointed by the Holiday Inn Group to install some entrance mats in the fire escapes here, where the water's got through to the old carpet, scented a bit rotten, and so it requires a nice little installation. So we're going to do that right now. Take away the old carpet. I've already measured a line. Nice and straight. Out with the old. Beautiful. After a quick clean of the floor, we can now install the profile trim. Pre-cut and ready to drop in. The adhesive is just about setting. That will accept the profile trim. Very nice. Locks into place just perfect. And now for the installation. For this, we're going to be using an Impervious water resistant ribbed heavy duty entrance mat. I've just sprayed the area with some tackifier. Tackifier in a spray, lovely. I think that tackifier in a spray is available from Roberts Flooring. Highly recommended for carpeting tools of the trade, adhesives and tools. I use a straight blade for all the straights, a concave or convex, or a hook blade. Just to swipe across in one sweep. without scratching the skirting board. We don't scratch skirting boards at Carpet Doctor. We just trim carpets perfectly using the old hook blade. It's a really good piece of kit for professional carpet fitting. Score the carpet and then just sweep across. Perfect. Let's change the blade on that. With a nice clean blade you can cut through carpet like a hot knife through butter. To make sure the entrance mat sticks into the profile trim, just going to use some copy decks, nice like Axminster sealant, just a little dribble in each doorway. Recommend this to all carpet fitters if you're fitting domestic or commercial carpets. Make sure it doesn't come out the door bar ever again until you want it to. Just a few little spots, a few little dribbles, helps seal up the work and finish the job. Use it a lot on Axminster installations in the doorways where it's elasticated and it's more prone to come out. A little dribble of copy decks, latex, adhesive, anything like that, that will help seal the doorway. For good, it's good, it's good. And the reason why they wanted this done, because there was a lot of moisture in the doorway here and the carpet was rotting basically, and we can't have that. Health and safety first. Beautiful. Normally I'd use a glider on here, but it's only a little metre by 2 metre area. So instead of bringing a £100 heavyweight glider, just use your seam roller just to finish off. And just to make sure it's fully stuck to the floor. Thanks for watching. Further details, carpetdoctor.co.uk, commercial carpet repair, domestic carpet repair specialists. Always happy to be of service. Let's have a look at this little installation. Beautiful. And welcome to Carpet Doctor. Get the coffee on. It's going to be a long day. Some funky carpets at the Holiday Inn Bristol. Superb.